It's time to take a sneak peek at the activities of stocks quoted to the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Welcome to After the Bell. Modest losses were today recorded in the Nigerian stock markets. Equities closed downbeat for the second consecutive trading session, and selling activities became the order of the trades. The key benchmark indices currently hangs in downtrend as sentiment's outlook revealed negative patterns. And now let's go through the data. The All-Share Index today dropped by 0.05% to close at 21,347.17. Market capitalization similarly reduced by 3.20 billion naira, closing at 6.81 trillion naira. The top traded stocks of the day were Transcorp, which recorded 76.98 million units. Access Bank PLC had 12.65 million units, and Dangote Sugar and Fidelity Bank were also on the list. Total volume of stocks traded at the session was 231.69 million. The five sectoral indexes this Tuesday had 0.20% appreciation in only the banking sector. Others, like the oil and gas, was down by 1.10% as the insurance sector closed at an index state of 119.71. 20 companies today made the gainers list, but 28 others went down in prices. Japal Oil gained 3 kobo again, Custodian Insurance PLC closed at 1 naira 57 kobo, and Paintcom was down at 4.40%. Longman PLC, which closed at 2 naira 28 kobo, Guarantee Trust Assurance PLC, and Oando PLC were the top stocks on the decliners list. And just trickling in is the audited result of Crusader Insurance PLC for the period ended December 31, 2011. Gross earning was good by 0.4% as profit after tax goes negative at 204.13 million naira. This market report is domiciled in the news and features page of our portal. To access that, please log on to read for free. But whatever the situation with your stocks, the long-term investment approach might still be the best solution for them right now. Thank you for watching After the Bell. Do join us again next time.